Okay, hello children, good morning. Now grammar, okay, again today, page number 116, 117 and 118. All of you, active, passive. Okay, it's very important. Huh? See, here. All of you open page 116. Now when the number of the passive subject is plural, the verb are or where is used. Sometimes the object or the subject may be a long phrase. Phrase, phrase means a group of words in a given sentence. When such a sentence in the active voice is rewritten in the passive voice, the position of the entire phrase changes, full change. All the children planted trees. Trees were planted by all the children. Now, Nitish ate a lot of cookies. A lot of cookies were eaten by Nitish. Passive, okay? Now, verbs and prepositions. Verbs in the active voice that are followed by prepositions, retain them when they are changed into the passive voice. That means they will see. They laughed at the clown. Active. The clown was laughed at by them. The form of the verb is changed in accordance with the tense. According to the tense, it will be changed, the form of the verb. Example, Grandma bakes a chocolate truffle cake every week. So, a chocolate truffle cake is baked by Grandma every week. Now, these children you will have to learn in simple present, present continuous. These all tenses are given in active and these are in passive. Now in the above sentences, page 116, note that verbs in the present perfect continuous and the future continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. Galileo invented the telescope, active voice. The telescope was invented by Galileo, passive voice, okay? In the above sentence, invented changed to was invented. The verb changes to be, is, are, was, were, plus the past participle of the verb. The guests brought bouquets. Verb is brought. Bouquets were brought by the guests. Were plus brought because it is the past tense. Now let us discuss in detail the changes in verbs from the active to passive voice in various tenses. Simple present. She decorates the house during festivals. The house is decorated by her during festivals. Does he wish you on your birthday? Are you wished on your birthday by him? Who sings devotional songs? By whom are the devotional songs sung? Whom are the devotional songs sung by? The second pattern is much in use these days. Now active voice, root form of the verb, that means principal verb, for main form of the verb, sometimes with S or ES, decorates, does, sings. Passive voice is RM plus past participle of the verb, is decorated, are wished, are sung. Now fill in the blanks with the passive form of the verbs given in brackets. Okay? Students are informed about the change in the timetable. The patient is admitted to the ICU after the doctor's recommendation. The guests are expected to reach the venue on time. All the doors are locked at night. By whom is the vegetable biryani prepared? Now these also children have written the answers for you. I will be sending you a PDF in small and neat and clean handwriting. You have to fill it, okay? Now page 118. Okay, this is simple present all. This present continues. Children are reading books in the library. Is, am, are, was, were plus main form of the verb plus ing. That will become your present continuous tense. Why is she plucking flowers? Why are flowers being plucked by her? Turn. Are you reading a novel? Is a novel being read by you? In active voice, is, are, and plus ing form of the verb. If it is ing form, that means main verb, root form. Yeah. Are reading, is plucking. Passive voice is, are, am plus being, being plus past participle form of the verb. Are being read, are being plucked. Okay, here also I have written all the answers for you. From active I have changed them to passive. You will have to learn them, children. All these definitions you should know. Forms, formulas. See, present perfect. He has written many novels in the past. Active, okay? Many novels have been written by him in the past. Now children, see. He has written many novels in the past, okay? Now we want to change it. How will we change it? Now here it is he, so has is here, okay, singular. Now many novels. Now this is plural. So many novels have been written. Have been this is past participle of write by him. So because this is he, here it is has. You have to write has. But many novels plural, so have been written by him. Alright? Okay children, next, who has broken the glass? By whom has the glass been broken? Yeah. Active voice has, have plus past participle form of the word. Has written, has been broken. Passive voice has, have plus been plus past participle form of the word. Have been written, has been broken. Now these answers children I have written for you. So you will all fill in your PDF. If it is not clear, you have to zoom. Zoom करसो એટલે clear writing દેખાશે, okay? This is now simple past. The pilot flew the aircraft at a great height. Active. The aircraft was flown by the pilot at a great height. Okay, did he post the letter? Was the letter posted by him? Who created confusion in the class? By whom was confusion created in the class? In active past or tense of the verb, flew, did, post, created. Okay? Passive was, were plus past participle form of the verb. Okay? That is was flown, was posted, was created. And fill in the blanks with the passive form of verbs in simple past tense. This also I have filled for you. Here also, change these sentences from the active to passive voice. All answers are given here. Now past continuous tense. He was driving the car very fast when it skidded off the road. The car was being driven very fast by him when it skidded off the road. Were you carrying all the required things? Active. Were all the required things being carried by you? Active voice was, were plus ing form of the verb. Was driving, were carrying. Passive voice was, were plus being plus past participle form of the verb. Was being driven, was being carried. Now change the sentences from active to the passive. Here also I will give you all the answers in past perfect tense. Now see, my uncle had sold the house last year. The house had been sold by my uncle last year. Had you boiled all the vegetables? Hmm? Now these are all question marks. If there is a question interrogative, there will be a question mark at the end. Had all the vegetables been boiled by you? Question mark. Active had plus past participle form of the verb. Had sold, had boiled. Passive had been plus past participle form of the word. Had been sold, had been boiled. Now rewrite these sentences in the passive voice. These all answers I give you. So you will all fill your PDF, children. Tuesday you are having a test. I have already given you which chapter, which page number. So start preparing, okay? Chalo, bye children.